What's up, guys? So the other day we got a shock drop of this year's Jordan 11, and they are here. Let's get straight into this unboxing. I am so excited to take a look at this year's Jordan 11. Every single year for the past, I want to say it's been over a decade now, around a decade, we get a Jordan 11 in December that always has mad hype, mad people excited for it, and this is a sneaker I'm excited to see. I don't know if it's really going to be a must cop for me personally, but we'll take a look at them and we will see together if I decide to keep these or not. You guys will know by the end of this video if this is going to be a must cop for me. I will tell you guys right now, if you have this sneaker, I do recommend, if you're a reseller or just want to make some easy money right now, I recommend letting go of them now, because when they do drop December 12th, they will be a massive GR. Tons and tons of stock. Jordan Brand wants to capitalize, of course, on the holiday season, like any company. So, they're going to be tons and tons of pairs of this Jordan 11. They will not be that easy to get, but at the same time, they won't be that difficult to get. So, make sure you guys take a look at them. And if you do want to make that money, I recommend, like I said, selling them now. And you could always get them again when they do officially drop on December 12th. Let's take a look at this sneaker. I'm excited, man. A brand new Jordan 11. I love the Jordan 11 every year. It's honestly like one of my favorite drops that I anticipate each and every year. And next year, oh boy, next year, the rumor is right now that we're going to be receiving cool gray 11s. Yes. Yes, I am so excited. You guys have no idea. In 2010 was the last time we saw the release of the cool grays. I copped them, I want to say about a month, maybe 2 months after they dropped. A clean worn pair for a steal when I first got into sneakers. It was one of the first Jordan 11s, or Jordans just in general, sneakers just in general, that I ever got. Right, that I was really into this and, you know, starting to learn the market and everything and learn what shoes go for, learn the sneaker game, everything like that in 2010. So the cool grays coming back again next year, man, I am so hyped. Definitely a must cop. Hopefully it stays true. Right now it's just a rumor. It's way too early to be confirmed and 100% happening. We still have a month until this one releases. Next year, cool gray already. Just, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. But let's take a look right now at this year's Jordan 11. And I must say, this packaging is straight fire. This box is crazy. I have seen videos of how this box opens, and this is sick. This is one of my favorite features of this shoe. This is going to be crazy. If you guys love sneaker content, by the way, make sure you guys click that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Also, let me remind you guys to enter in the Royal Toe Jordan 1 giveaway that's going on the channel. You guys can click the link down below in the description to my Instagram. Go on my Instagram, like the post, give me a follow, and make sure you guys check out all the giveaway details. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review. I'm going to leave everything you guys need for the giveaway down below in the description. Let's take a look at these Jordan 11s. So we do have a size 11 right here, my personal size. I wanted to get my size to see if maybe it is a must cop. We'll see. I do want to give a huge shout out, of course, to my fiance Nicole. I love you. She hit on the shock drop. I didn't, but she hit, thankfully. So shout out to you, baby. Awesome. Let's take a look. Black, multicolor. Retail is $220 on this shoe. December 12th. Be on the lookout for this shoe. Tons of hype, tons of demand. Let's take a look. Right now, resales around $300, and I would say it's probably going to stay around that, to be honest. It's the Jordan 11 every year. Lots of hype. Dope shoe, I think, in pictures. Let's take a look. How do you open this box? I'm not sure how to open it. Oh, okay, that's kind of cool. So we do have a slide right here, like a little insert. You just lift that up, and then it opens half the box, right? And then the other half like that. I think that's actually really cool. Really nice packaging. A really nice Jordan 11 box. Every year, except for 2012, was a good box. And last year, 2019, 2018, yeah, maybe even 2017. I don't remember. Usually, we used to get really good slide-out boxes. They kind of stopped doing it. But this packaging's nice. The tissue paper, what does it say? 2020 right here. And you do have some Jumpmans on the tissue paper. And 1996 as well, the year that the Jordan 11 did come out. Although it says 1995. I'm sorry, not 1996. They came out in 95 and then again in 1996. So let's take a look. Woo! There they are. Okay, let's take them out. Nice in hand, I'll tell you that. This is not by any means an ugly sneaker at all. This is actually a really nice sneaker. These are fire. These are really nice. I love the details. I love that Jumpman. Very nice. Let me pull out both shoes. We'll take a look at these a little bit more together. This is just the unboxing video, so I'll do a full review. Maybe on feed if you guys want to see that. Drop a comment, let me know. I do have a fake pair on the way. I will be doing a real versus fake video of this sneaker. So make sure you guys click that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you can determine if your pair is real or fake. It's scary. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. Let's take a look at these. We'll go over the details a little bit here. The 23, that is nice. That is not going to come off. A lot of the 23s on 11s does rub off over time. Yeah, I don't think that's going to come off at all. The Jumpman, woo! Woo! Guys, you could feel the Jumpman. That's not coming off. It's not stitched. It's actually like metal. They gave us like a legit metal Jumpman there, which is nice. Leather quality on the back. Okay, seems very similar, I would say, to last year's Bread 11. Nothing crazy. Not bad, but nothing crazy. These are nice, man. One thing I know a lot of people are not crazy about was the lettering there on the side where it says Jordan on the eyelets. It is in silver, and to be honest, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. I don't think it looks great. I do prefer it without it, but it is on both sides. I don't think it's bad, though. I do prefer it without it, but I don't think it's a bad touch. And, yeah, that's leather. They gave us a leather third spacing there, where it says Jumpman Jordan. That's crazy, with the silver metallic Jumpman. Awesome. That's leather, guys. That is straight leather, which I've never seen. I don't think they've ever done that on the Jordan 11 before. Usually it's nylon or mesh material. That's crazy. We got the mesh-like upper. Man, these are nice. Inside, you do have a Jumpman with a 23 on the inside. So that's really nice details as well. Guys, nice. Outsole is clear, but has like a slight, not blue or yellow tint. It's like a kind of milky clear outsole. This will yellow. This is gonna yellow, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. That, you know, 11s do that. Guys, pick these up when they drop. These are nice. Honestly, in my opinion, now that having them in hand, I do like them a lot. Are they really going to be a must-cop for me? I'm not sure. I'm undecided. I want you guys to drop a comment down below. Let me know. Should I keep them? Should I not? Let me know. I will tell you this, in my opinion. Space Jams, blow these out of the water. I think a lot of you are going to agree with me on that. Concords, Breads, Cool Grays. Those are the main four, in my personal opinion. These are cool, right? But they are, I would say, similar to the Gammas, the 72 and 10s. I put them in that type of field where they're nice, don't get me wrong, but they're not the Space Jams, the Breads, the Cool Grays, the Concords. You know what I mean? These are nice, though. These are very nice. Very wearable, which I do like. You could rock these with anything. Anything at all. Awesome. These are dope, though. So like I was telling you guys, if you do have pairs right now, and you know you want to make some easy money right now, I do suggest go ahead and letting them go. You'll probably get like $300 locally, easily. You can probably go ahead and get that. And then when they drop again, pick them up. They won't be that difficult to get. There'll be a lot of hype, but you know, a lot of pairs, a lot of hype. So I think if you do want them, you have a good chance of getting them for retail. And you can go ahead and get them for retail again when they drop. Put some extra money in your pocket right now, if that's something you want to do. If not, if you want to wear them, wear them. You know, this is so wearable. So nice, though, to be honest. They're not bad. They're not ugly by any means. Not at all. They're nice. They're very nice. A really nice, smooth Jordan 11. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys like them? Do you not like them? Must cop. Who's picking up a pair when they drop on December 12th? Drop a comment. Let me know, man. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Much better in hand. You know, a lot of Jordans, a lot of sneakers nowadays, in my opinion, you gotta get them in hand to really determine, are these cool, are they a must-have? And this is definitely one I'm happy I have in hand, nice and early. Give you guys a nice couple of videos on them, and take a look at them. Carbon fiber there on the bottom as well, and it is in that gray silver color. Reminds me a lot of the cool grays right there. Hopefully we get this carbon fiber on the cool grays. These are dope, man. I'm happy. These are cool. Good to see them in hand. Make sure you guys stay tuned. We got a bunch more content coming up on the Jubilee Jordan 11. I'm not sure where that name comes from. If you guys know, please inform me down below in the comments. Last I knew, Jordan 11 Clear or Jordan 11 25th anniversary, because it is the 25th anniversary of the Jordan 11. I don't know where Jubilee comes from, but if you know, inform me down below in the comments, please. Damn, man, these are nice. Very dope. Man, I'm impressed. I really am. Let me know what you guys think about them. Must cop, drop, resell, quick flip. Let me know down below. What are you guys going to do with your Jordan 11s right here, the Jubilees, when you do get them in hand? Woo! I'm impressed. I really am. I love the details. We'll take a look at these a little bit more in depth. We'll do a whole resale video if you guys want that. Let me know down below in the comments. Or if you guys want me to put these on feet for another video, full review and on feet video. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see with these Jubilee Jordan 11s. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick unboxing video. If you did, make sure you guys smash that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, join the More family. Please, guys, I cannot stress that enough. Make sure you guys subscribe. We have a bunch of content coming your way. I have a bunch of videos planned. Woo! What a month November has been, and December is looking even better. Trust me, you guys are not going to want to miss out on the sneaker content I have planned. Trust me on it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Cop, drop. They're fresh. Can't go wrong. With all that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out. So this is for those of you that stuck around towards the end of the video. I have decided that if I decide not to keep this sneaker, which I'm not sure yet, but if I decide not to keep them, I will be giving them away. So make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so you'll know and be up to date whether I decide to keep these or give them away. And I'm going to tell you guys a little hint. I'm more leaning towards giving them away. I love Space Jams, Concords, Breads, Cool Grays over these, so I'm leaning more towards giving them away. Make sure you guys stay tuned, give me a follow on Instagram, and hit that subscribe button down below.